Miss Keys, Mr. Easley is your father.
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
And prior to this incident with this car, did you have a reasonable relationship with your father?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
This is all about a car
Yes, ma'am.
that belonged to your father that you claim he sold to you.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a few questions based upon some things that were raised here. Claimed that you bought it from him, you gave him part of the money, you didn't give him all of the money, then there was some sort of a kerfuffle involving your daughter, there's an allegation of assault, there's an allegation of false protective orders, all kinds of other things. It's all about a car. What kind of a car?
It's a 95 Corvette.
And how long have you owned the car, Mr. Easley?
I bought it in 2007.
How much did you pay for it in 2007?
$10,000.
And Miss Keys, you're 32 years old. You have one daughter who lives with you?
I have 3 daughters that live with me.
3?
Yes, ma'am.
Does your father have any of your children who live with him?
No, ma'am.
Did he ever?
Never, ma'am.
Is that correct?
No.
Did your father ever have guardianship over your children?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
We signed papers, but it never took effect. It happened for a reason why I gave him guardianship, but he never took custody over her.
Why don't you tell me the reason that you gave your father guardianship of your children?
Sure. My daughter was real close to my grandmother before she passed. Seeing as though my auntie never had kids and my father moved to Atlanta with her, my daughter went to Atlanta every summer for a while. While she was down there one summer, she was bit by a dog on her chin. And in order for my aunt and my dad to take her to the hospital, they didn't have any information on her, so that made it kind of hard. And she was bit by, I heard, was the mayor of Atlanta.
Just a second. Mm-hmm. So is what you're telling me you gave your father guardianship of only one of your children?
Yes. She was the only one visiting, yes.
Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Not 3.
1.
1. And that child went back to her mother after the summer?
No, that's not exactly how that happened.
Well, did she go back to live with her mother after the summer?
That was before I got the guardianship. She's talking about another time. My mother died in 2004. I got the guardianship in 2007.
Did the children or child ever live with you?
Yes.
From when to when?
The years I don't remember, but it was between 2004 and 2007.
So the child lived with you for a period of years?
Off and on.
It's not what was indicated in your answer and counterclaim, so I'm just trying to figure it all out. So your 3 children live with you?
I have 3 kids that live with me, yes.
Okay. That's all I want to know.
Yes.
It wasn't clear for me from your father's answer. It appeared that he had guardianship over one of your children.
I'd like to explain that if I can. I do. I still have that guardianship. That guardianship is a standing guardianship. I've got the paperwork here. It's permanent. The situation...
Just a second. If the child hasn't lived with you since 2007, I don't care.
She's there all the time.
Where does she go to school?
She went to school with... If I can explain it to you, my daughter came down there. The situation is this. I've got my daughter's child. My daughter calls me and tells me, I've got 3 kids. If you can't do nothing for 3 of them, don't do nothing for any of them. She called me and cussed me out. I'm going to have the people come. It's a big deal. I just gave it... Listen, I sent her back because I got tired of the...
Listen to me. I don't care. I just want to know if this child is living with you now.
Child's living with her now.
Good. That's all I wanted to know, period. And whether you have formal custody, I would make sure that that guardianship is changed if the child is living with you since 2007.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
She hasn't lived with her since 2007. Okay.
Off and on?
Yes.
Off and on.
Can I speak?
What?
I'll just say this, Your Honor. When I gave him the custody, I was in my early 20s at the time, and the lawyer just so happened to be my aunt's boyfriend. So what I thought I was signing was temporary guardianship over my child for when she went down there, they could sign her into the hospital or wherever. That's what I did. But since then, Your Honor, she's always been at my house, every school, everything, report card, my house.
I got it.
Okay.
Now, this is some nonsense, some family nonsense about a 20-year-old red Corvette.
It's green.
Green?
Uh-huh. It's a green.
Not my favorite color.